Learn present tense to past tense in Igbo language and their meanings. Present tense, past tense. The first word is mebie, spoiled. Mebie, spoil. Mebie, spoil. Past tense of mebie is mebiri, spoiled. Another one is nata, receive. Nata, receive. Past tense of nata is natara, received. Now equally remove this t and put re. It becomes nara, receive. Nara, received. No, here. No, here. Past tense of no is noro, head. More, give birth. More, give birth. Past tense of more is moro, gave birth. Bunye, carry to. Bunye, carry to. Past tense of it is bunyere, carried to. You can say panye. It also means carry to. Panyere, carried to. The same thing. Bulie, lift. Bulie, lift. Past tense of bulie is buriri, lifted. You can also say palie, lift. Palili, lifted. The same thing. Nupu, push out. Nupu, push out. Past tense of nupu is nupuru, pushed out. Pinye, pressed into. Pinye, pressed into. Past tense of pinye is pinyere, pressed into. Maybe you press in a code. Another one is pota, come out. Pota, come out. Pota, come out. Past tense of pota is potara, came out. Potara, came out. Another one is pue, sprout. Pue, sprout. Past tense of pue is puru, sprouted. Maybe you planted a crop, then the seed sprout out. So all these are examples of words in present tense and the past tense in Igbo language and their meanings. Like and share our videos.